Hello and welcome back to my welcome back to Minecraft family. No, wait. This is solo. Right, when we left off, I earned a helmet, as you can see, but that's still burning in it. Oh my god. Just trying to find some smell. But yeah, this it just did an update, so I might go fishing. Yeah, right, so this is oh. Son of a... No. Oh, somebody's there. Right, they're gonna go bed. I can't remember bed with me. Right, this is looking almost like at night, what I'm going to do. Give me. So I have loads of other food. I have. No, I can't go sleep. Okay, I'll sleep now. I don't know. Oh yeah. Okay. Oh wait. I don't know. Right. Today I'm gonna build a fishing rod. Oh wait, I could buy. Oh, I can build a bow. Where you got a bow? Right, let's go fishing because I want to go get a cat. I want to go get a meow. Sorry my videos haven't been uploading these days because I've just been like really uptight. And I've just been trying to sort. Yeah! Back to me, guys. What's up, guys? Sorry for that long introduction.
You've got some whipped cream on your nose.
Oh, failed.
I feel like we really have a connection, you know?
I want a cat, so we need plenty of fish. I gotta go put my sister in a minute so much.
Are you okay? What are you doing?
Yeah, what are you doing, Caitlin? I need to talk to you now. Okay, before you start yelling at me, I swear, this isn't what it looks like. So you're not sharing a drink with the guy Nikki has a crush on. Okay, so it is what it looks like. But
I'm okay, no luck here.
I tried to ask out Hunter for Nikki, but he didn't give me a chance. Then he asked me out, and before I even knew what was happening, I just have one question. Did you or did you not curl your hair? Yes, but I couldn't help it. It was like I was on auto flirt pilot or something. Caitlin, how could you?
What's that? That's a pig. See, we got jungle biome now in Xbox 360 mode.
The guy over her best friend?
So.
You're right. I have to break up with Hunter. That a girl. Now you march out there and dump that hottie. Hunter, we need to talk.
I asked the waiter to bring the most romantic sundae he had. It's called the I Love You Sundae.
You did?
Oh, goodness, yeah.
Just that. You're the best.
Actually, no, we keep going fishing while so that the chance. Ow. Whoa, go fish. No, just let me just keep going fishing. I'll keep going fishing.
So, you actually did well in the movie? That must have been so embarrassing for you. Oh, just shut up! an answer.
Oh. Oh.
Okay, the cards say you have done well, but now you have to, dress like the Easter Bunny and grab the bull by the horn.
Okay, sorry for this.
You won't be able to miss you, bro.
Alright.
It's not a physical hotline, sir. It's a psychic hotline.
Huh. Let's get auto-save, so... So, welcome back. Sorry I keep pausing it, because it's just...
Nikki B, I thought we had a date. How could you just stand me up like that? Do you have any idea how humiliating that was?
Whoa, chill. All I did was tell you to stop by.
But, Caitlin, didn't she come here the other day to talk to you?
Caitlin. Oh, you mean the cute blonde girl I went out with last night?
Wait, you and Caitlin went out on a date last
Right,
night?
let's keep going, honey. Fish. Well, not fish.
So, Caitlin didn't mention me?
Sorry. No.
Oh, never mind. Hiya, Caitlin. Nikki, hi. Want a free squishy? That's what I love about you, Caitlin. You're always thinking of other people. First, you're trying to get me a date with Hunter. Then, when he stands me up and leaves me crushed, you bake me a lemon squishy.
That's the kind of friend I am.
Oh, so you wouldn't be the kind
Right, so...
back then, huh?
Well, this week, as has been the best days, I need to get loads of videos out, don't I?
Okay,
I went out on a date with Hunter behind your back. So, not right. Before we
Oh,
were
wait,
supposed to
I've
do,
got it, yeah.
Look at my chances with a hot guy who likes me just because you saw him first? I was only talking to him because you were too Exactly. Wait, you didn't even talk to him? That changes things. Rules of engagement, ladies. Nikki saw him first. Oh, I didn't mean to hurt you, Nikki. You have to.
Right, so yeah, this week hasn't been really that fun. Summer holidays nearly still up, so you'll see less videos. I might do a few when I get in.
I didn't mean to lie, really. You just look so desperate.
oh, that's it.
No, I didn't mean it that way. Nikki, come back.
But I've had fun. I'm about to go see all my schoolmates, so you might see a few more videos of me with my schoolmates. I'm not sure.
Exactly. Something very sharp.
You might see some funny videos.
Max isn't coming.
Max isn't coming up today. Minecraft family will soon be updated anyway.
Always, but we used to.
And,
Well, I fixed it in the bin now just because it's broke. Someone broke my HDMI cable, and
I know you're mad at Caitlin, and you totally deserve to be.
I came to my Xbox one day, right?
I'm gonna fight
And
you.
look, yeah, I kept the cord that goes into the back of the TVs.
Why are you walking like that?
Last week I told me to show off my good neck side at all times. She is the
How come there are no cats in this frigging forest?
a photo for the lovely lady.
Let me just see how many more minutes we're in. Okay. We're in 8:55 minutes, and I still haven't found a frigging cat. As soon as I see a cat, man, I'm gonna go to prowl. Chicken, no cat. I've been walking in this forest.
Hey there, Hunter. It's Caitlin.
Hey, Caitlin.
Yeah, I was just calling to see if we have a date tonight. I couldn't remember because I'm so blonde.
That's okay. Who needs brains when you're so cute?
What time are we meeting again?
8 o'clock.
That's what I thought. But, oh, I can't make it. Family emergency. Okay, bye-bye.
Ugh, what did I see in that guy? Ugh.
Wait, is that cat?
Even asked.
No, it's this.
Jessica said it would keep my $1 million worried. Are you sure you want open pores?
Stay. Wayne just told me you guys are the ones giving Coach Holder all the psychic advice.
Get back to work! Now!
You had better defend your little hotline or else.
Okay, we will.
Oh god, no.
Yeah, I'm coming.
Alright, but that's not, I didn't find a cat in this episode.
Making people do stupid things
So,
is too much fun, dude.
yeah, don't forget to like, favorite, and subscribe for more videos. If not, then please just don't watch this video. If you watch this video,
I'll just wait for my date.
you watch this video. If you watch this video, this sword. It's going up
I'm sorry.
your Minecraft butthole.
I ate all your bread.
Okay.
Oh, no. Okay, this isn't nearly as much fun as I thought. What are you doing here? I was trying to get you a taste of your own medicine. The guy...
But yeah, maybe like this trip.
Hunters on a date with Kirsten now? Oh, what a sleazeball. I can't believe I picked a jerk like him over you. I'm sorry, I was such a weak friend.
Right, so next episode might get the house done.
This is way more
Hey,
special.
can you open doors now? You guys are amazing, amazing.
What do you
Right, okay.
Hunter Alexa won't favor?
Oh,
Definitely.
when did I do that?
Bonding.
Wait, does that mean I have a house? Oh my life.
Fine. Not just for crazy people anymore.
Yeah, this is Astria, the owner of the real psychic hotline. If you two don't stop pretending to be me, I'm going to put a hex on you.
It's a big, free, psychic world out there, sister. We're not scared of you.
Oh no.
The DVD's called Hack! No amount of fun is worth messing with my mojo, dude.
Okay, now it's not fun.
I'm officially off the hook.
Worked like a charm.
What is that? Oh,
Look, here comes Loverboy. I don't believe it. He's dating Chrissy now too?
What a dude.
okay.
Chrissy?
I'm gonna see you guys
No, he's my name.
later.
No, he's a jerk. Get him, girl.
See you guys later.